Welcome to the vibrant world of fruits where each bite is an adventure. Did you know apples can keep you strong and healthy? Oranges are not just tasty, they're a powerhouse of vitamin C. Bananas give you energy to play and learn all day. Strawberries are sweet and full of nutrients that make your heart happy. Grapes can be your tiny, juicy friends that care for your brain. Watermelons are like your personal hydration stations on a hot day. Blueberries are tiny superheroes, fighting off bad germs with antioxidants. Pineapples bring a tropical twist, making your immune system strong. Mangoes are not just delicious, they're a festival of vitamins for your skin. Cherries help you sleep better, dreaming of sweet adventures. Kiwi is your fuzzy little friend, packed with more vitamin C than an orange. Peaches keep your skin glowing and your eyes sparkling. Avocados are creamy, dreamy fruits that boost your brain power. Remember, every fruit is a treasure trove of joy and health. Let's explore more together.